Okay, so last time I went a different way in an attempt to avoid construction, and I ended up just hitting more of it. So today I'm going to go one of the ways I kind of normally go, but I'm going that way because as far as I know, there's like a little bit of construction that I go through, and then it's just normal road. But that was last time, which was 3 days ago. With the way things have been lately, that could have changed. It might be all construction there too now, but I don't think so. I'm just tired of... I don't exactly want to go this way, but as I was saying, I'm tired of getting stuck in construction, having to just stop and go all the time, and it being a boring video because I'm just stuck in traffic. So I'm gonna go this way. Hopefully something exciting happens. The reason I don't like going this way is because like it's not scenic. There's nothing really like cool along the way at all, so that makes it like somewhat boring. But the good thing about this way is there's like 2 lanes. It's a highway, so like there's opportunity for racing, for seeing cool cars, stuff like that. But I have to rely entirely on something like that happening. Otherwise, it's just me like on a 2-lane highway going slow in front of that cop who I didn't see at first. Okay, they started pulling out. Oh man, they started pulling out and I thought I was screwed. But yeah, I don't remember what I was saying, but what I was trying to say is like, if nothing exciting happens with other people on this road, then it's just boring because it's not scenic. So like, I kind of got to rely on that when I go this way, but it's better than sitting in construction. That would have been fun. Too bad it's going the other way. It was a 350Z. It was very heavily modified. Oh, the construction right here might be done. I just noticed. Because right here was where I was referring to, but clearly they're done, it looks like. If I ever like hired an editor to edit my videos for me, it'd probably be like the easiest job, because I haven't talked for the past, I don't know, like 8 minutes. And if I tell them like just obviously cut out all the parts where I'm silent, unless I'm doing something cool, but like the parts where I'm not talking, it'd be so easy, because my videos end up being like 30 minutes, 32 minutes tops anymore, and then I cut it down. I cut out most of that because I'm not talking. I mean, I'm not going to do that. I'm always going to edit my own videos. It's just a random thought I was having about how easy it would be. I do want to see what this car is, though. Oh, a Camaro. It's a very old one. Looks good though. Could go back there. I have no idea what's back there, but I'm kind of curious to find out. What happened? Oh. I just kill switched myself. I had no idea. Okay, so we got an old Corvette, a pimped out truck. Trying to see what traffic I'm about to pass, basically. Is what I was looking for here. this is exactly what I was afraid of. I saw two nice older cars, neither wanted to race, which obviously like wouldn't really be much of a race, but it'd still be fun, I guess. And nothing else really happened. So like, I don't really have much to like put into a video, because I haven't really talked this whole time either. So I want to learn new roads to go on around here, just so like I can mix it up for videos, because right now I have yeah, I only have like 4 or 5 main loops that I take. I try to like mix it up video by video instead of taking the same ones over and over again, but like obviously 5's not that many, so even if I still take different routes each video, it's still somewhat repetitive. It's like I want to learn new routes to take. It's just difficult because like I don't have anywhere to put my phone or anything, just in case I need GPS. I don't really get lost, like, but I also don't want to. I don't want to push my luck. But I'm gonna test my riding skills, see if I got any better. I think so. Please don't. Please change. Please change. Thank you. Actually, I just remembered somewhere I want to go, so I'm gonna head there. It's like a big, open, empty lot. So I'm gonna take the bike there and try to get some cool shots for like reels and stuff, and hope they turn out well. I'll probably stop recording once I get there, just because like I don't know how long I'm gonna be there, and it's just gonna be me taking videos on my phone. So that's obviously not very exciting, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just in case nothing happens now until the time I'm at the lot, which is gonna be about like literally 2 minutes. I'm gonna wrap this one up here. Hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you watching, as always. I wish I could have got a little more to happen, but obviously that's not entirely in my control. And I wish there wasn't so much construction so I could take more scenic roads, but pretty limited right now. So I'm working with what I got. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate it. I'll see you later.